Chicken breast and zucchini, the perfect combination to surprise in the kitchen. First, take a fresh zucchini and cut it into cubes. This will ensure it cooks evenly and absorbs the flavors well. This recipe is the ideal choice for anyone looking for something tasty, healthy, and impressive in presentation. Next, in a medium bowl, add 2 eggs and 120 milliliters of milk. Using a fork or whisk, beat until you get a smooth and light mixture. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric. Mix well again and set aside. Now let's prepare the star of our recipe, the chicken breast. Cut it into thick strips. Stay with us until the end. You're going to love the result of this delight. Heat a large skillet over medium heat and add a generous drizzle of olive oil. When it's hot, add the cut chicken. Stir well while frying to ensure all sides are golden and flavorful. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of paprika. These spices enhance the chicken's flavor, making it irresistible. Now add 1 teaspoon of thyme. Stir again, and as soon as the chicken is well cooked, add the zucchini to the skillet. I'm sure this recipe will be a true explosion of flavors in your mouth. Let the zucchini and chicken fry until juicy and golden. Meanwhile, finely chop 2 cloves of garlic for an extra touch. Add them to the skillet along with the chicken and zucchini. Stir everything very well, allowing the garlic to release its aroma and flavor, enveloping all the ingredients. To finish the skillet preparation, chop some fresh parsley and add it to the dish. The parsley will bring freshness and a touch of color, making everything even more beautiful. And don't forget to tell me which city or country you're watching from so I can send you a hug in the next video. Now it's time to assemble our recipe for baking. Take a baking dish and grease it with a bit of olive oil. Use a brush to spread the oil evenly across the surface. Transfer the entire chicken and zucchini mixture to the dish, spreading it out evenly. Next, pour the egg and milk mixture we prepared earlier over the chicken and zucchini. For an irresistible final touch, sprinkle 200 grams of grated mozzarella cheese on top and add a few slices of tomato. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. This time is enough for everything to cook through, with the cheese melted and lightly golden. When you take it out of the oven, the aroma will be simply irresistible. Serve immediately, accompanied by a green salad or even fluffy rice. This dish is perfect for a special family dinner or to surprise friends. And that's it. Our recipe is ready. Don't forget to share this delight with your loved ones.